Now, let me show you how you can create a perspective layout of multiple data sources or different data visualizations on top of the same data source. So let's start by importing our default Superstore data set. Go to HTTPS, I'm going to create a table, and I can start customizing this dashboard by applying some group by columns. Let's group by category, for example, and subcategory. And let's just take the sales column. Maybe we're also going to take the profit column and the discount column as well. Now, I can always go back to my sources column and bring in or add another data source. In this case, I'm going to just choose the same data source. So I'm just going to bring in the Superstore again, but I can bring in any data or add any data source that I have available. So I'm going to create new, and now you can see that you get a side-by-side view. So you get a second data source here, and I can customize each one of these charts individually by going their customization. So when I click the title of the second one, let's say in this one we want to do a group by state, and we just want to see a tree view of that. And when I collapse this back, now I have both data sources or both data visualization showing side by side. Another way of doing this is to right-clicking one of the charts and choosing the duplicate option. So that's a nice, quick, and easy way to duplicate a data source for me. And now I can edit the layout, so I can drag and drop this and drop it down here. And again, go and configure this a little bit differently. So maybe we want to see this as a X-bar chart. And you can see now I have a fairly complex layout of 3 different charts, again using the same data source, but they could be different. One is in the data grid view, one is in the tree map view, and the other one in the X-bar view. It's important to know that at any point, again, I can save this layout, so I can give this a name and save that, and that allows me to come back to this layout, or to just take this link and send it to my colleague, and they can again start my work and preview my layout and start their work from there.